Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crop an image in a circle using Photoshop. We will start by opening Photoshop. For my case I am using Photoshop 2020. You can be comfortable using any version of Photoshop. Now go to File. Hope you have your image ready in your computer. Click on Open. Locate your image and hit Open to load it. Make sure to unlock your image. Click on Shape tool, select the ellipse tool to draw a circle. To draw a circle, hold down Shift key, draw a circle of your desired size. For my case I don't think it's where I would like it to be, but you can always correct it using the Move tool. Click back on the Shape tool, right-click inside your already drawn circle, click and make selection. Maintain your radius as default. Go to Select on the top menu, hit on Inverse. You will see some selections made on your image. Go to Edit and hit Clear. And there you go, your well-cropped image in a circle, which you can use everywhere. In addition, you can hold down Control and Move tool to move the cropped image in a new Photoshop window. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, share, like, and comment to enlighten others. Thank you for watching.